Hello all, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Keshav, full stack development trainer at Harsha Trainings. Yesterday we started a new batch for full stack development training, and in that session we discussed about introduction to full stack development course. And in today's session we discussed about product development life cycle in any IT company and the role of a developer in that. Also, we have discussed the duties of full stack developer in development of any product. Extensively we have discussed about it. If you guys have missed the session by any chance, don't worry, we have already recorded the session and you guys can get the same session by calling to the number appearing on this particular video. And in tomorrow's session we are going to discuss about the job market of full stack development in the industry, and also we'll start with working with front end development. So try not to miss the sessions, guys. These are very important sessions, try not to miss them. And if you have your friends also, ask them to attend the sessions, because we are at a very early stage, right? So there will be no problem, people can follow. So try not to miss the sessions, guys. All the best, guys.